You might have seen generating images from AI many times. Today I will show you how can you generate image in real time by using AI. So let's start our today's video. First open your browser and search Krea.ai. Then go to the first link. Then you will see this type of interface. When you will create a new account here, you will get 30 minutes computing time for free. Means you can use this AI for free. Now scroll down a little bit and then click on real time. This will land you to this page. Here make sure that you have selected the text menu from the bottom left corner. In below you will find a box where you can write your text. Whatever you will write here, this AI will generate that image for you in real time. You can see the image instantly. For example, here I am writing an elephant in a busy city road wearing golden white armor. Now if I erase the elephant name and write a robot bug, then you can see it's changing the image instantly. Or if I write here a human shaped robot ant, you can see it has generated that image for me. In top of the text box you will find quality. If you increase it, your image quality will be higher, and if you decrease it, your image quality will be lower. And now imagine you don't like this picture, you want a different picture. Now if you click on this icon, it will generate another image for you. In the right side you will find many categories. You can choose HD, cartoon and some more. Just select the style you like most. Now if I click on an empty space, you will find some more style for your image. By default you will find 5 style here, but if you click on the search icon, you will find many more style. From here you can try and experiment these styles. In the bottom right corner you will find the aspect ratio. By clicking here you can choose 3 type of aspect ratio for your image. Now imagine you like this robot. You want to change its pose. You want this robot to be in a very specific pose. You can do that here. For this, click on compose menu from the bottom left corner. Then you will land to this page. Now I will open Google and search a robot here for my reference image. Now imagine I liked the shape of this robot. I want my robot to be exactly in this shape. So for that, first I will download this image. Then I will go back to this compose page. Then from the upload image option, I will upload the image. After the image has been uploaded, you can see that in the left side canvas. Now I will increase its size and match it with the canvas. In top of the text box, you will find AI strength. The more you decrease its value, the more your generated image shape will match with the reference image. And the fun part is you can see the result in real time. You can try this with other image also. For example, here I am using another image, and in this way you can create any pose for your image. At last, if you want to download your image, you will find a download icon in the bottom right corner. If you click on it, your image will be downloaded. And if you want to give your image a 3D look, then just go to Immensity AI, then select 2D to 3D motion option. Then click on upload and upload your image. It will take some time. You can see the preview here, and then click on export. And after the export is done, you will find your download option. If you click on this, your video will be downloaded. And in this way you can create this type of video for free. So that's it for today's video, and thanks for watching this video.